Okay class, now I'm going to explain you about the separation of liquid gas mixtures. In this, by heating method, we can separate the gas from the liquid. It works on the principle that the solubility of a gas in a liquid decreases with the increase in temperature. Means if you will start heating up a mixture having a liquid and gas both in it, then the gas will start escaping out, means because the gas will start moving up, being hot, it will start moving up from the solution and it will try to move out. So the gas is separated and what is left behind in the container, that is a solvent. So it is written here, so when the mixture of a gas and a liquid is heated, the gas escapes out from the solution and liquid solvent is left in the container. So the easiest method to separate liquid gas mixtures, it's the heating process. So here in this figure shown on the screen, here they are trying to separate a mixture of carbon dioxide and water. So they have taken that in a round bottom flask and they have started heating it. You can see the bubbles of the gas, that is CO2. So on heating, the bubbles of CO2 are formed, which leaves the solvent. Solvent is your water, which leaves it down in that round bottom flask only. Now that CO2 glass, you can see a connector is there, a tube, a pipe is there. From that pipe, the CO2 will start moving and then you can see a U-shaped container, it is there. It's a chamber in which this carbon dioxide gas is dried because it is coming out from the water, so it will have some moisture in it. So that CO2 gas is dried in this chamber. What is there in the chamber, there it is, they have taken a chemical, anhydrous calcium carbonate. So this chemical is used to dry the gas, it is written in the figure also, and that dried gas is then passed out from another tube and then collected in another container by the upward displacement of air. So in this way we can separate the gas from a liquid. So I hope class it is understood to you. And then the last was separation of gas mixtures. Here they have only given the names of the methods which we can use to separate the gas mixtures. The detailed study of all these methods you will be studying later in higher classes. So you can only learn the methods which are used to separate the gas mixtures. So here you have the worksheet up to where I have taught. So the worksheet, I want that you should fill it of your own and then you can check it from my answers. Now we have finished our chapter. Here also they have given the separation ways only, how to separate the different mixtures. So this I will explain you there is a question, it is given in the exercise, the question is given, so there I will explain you that. Okay, so we have finished our chapter. I want that you should complete your exercise. I have done it, but first you try it of your own and then you can check it from my answers. Okay, so I hope class you will keep studying and keep learning the new things. Till then, goodbye and take care.